Hi, it's me, Rob, and today I'm at Universal Studios Orlando to check out the Holiday Tribute Store. So come hang out, I'll show you some stuff. So I'm over in New York. That's where the Holiday Tribute Store is. But I did want to show you guys some of the Christmas decorations that are out here in New York before I actually go inside. This massive Christmas tree here is pretty cool. And they've also got some garland, Santa hats, and bows on the light fixtures over here. That's pretty cool. Even the mummies decorated for Christmas. They got some snowflakes up there, some more garland and ribbons. It's kind of a light day here, so far at least, at Universal Studios. The mummy's only at a 10-minute wait. And there's some Christmas trees up here too, and some more garland. So the theme this year is holiday pop-up stories, and the entryway here is themed like an open book with some other books like on a bookshelf, you know, just like standing up. Once upon a time, along the bustling holiday streets of New York was a fascinating bookshop. Normally it was an ordinary store, but during the holiday season it became so much more. I don't know how much of this story I'm going to actually follow today, but I figured I would at least start it off right. These people in here, some snow and cars and a big old tree. These are kind of cool. I like this little snowman. I also like the Santa a lot. That's pretty cool. A candle here with on top of what I think is maybe mistletoe. I don't know for sure. The true delight of the tales came to be. Guests were part of the adventures and reality. Too fantastic to be surreal. It's more than magic, it's real. Look for these colored shapes throughout the store for fun ways to interact. Touch, listen, smell, play, and taste. Wonder what we're getting into here with this. But there's a cool little Christmas tree over here. And then, I mean, you know, Grinch, Earl the Squirrel, a couple Harry Potter books over here. This is cool. Spending Christmas at Hogwarts. Looks like this is the first thing we're going to get to see when we come in here. Come visit Hogsmeade, the all wizarding village. Ooh, it says to smell this over here. I'm going to do it. I'm going to smell it. To be honest with you, it doesn't really smell like much. So this is the first thing you see when you come in here to the Holiday Tribute Store, Hogsmeade Christmas. Cool little photo op. And these are fun too. The baby nifflers, they have been out here for a while. We did just pick one up last week, my wife and I, and they're actually really cool little shoulder pals. He makes noises and vibrates. It's kind of interesting. And then it's looking like this is like an advent calendar or a countdown calendar. I don't know what term you want to use for it. Hogsmeade for Christmas. And it's looking like they're opening a new one every day. There's a chocolate frog, a letter from Hogwarts, butterbeer, some books. That's pretty cool. And some more Christmas themed merchandise that's Harry Potter themed over here. There's also a cool little Honeydukes display. Hogsmeade Wizarding Sweet Shop. Oh, and then there's a little touch icon over here for what I think is supposed to be maybe an owl. I don't know. But that's fun, I guess. I'm going to need some hand sanitizer after that. They also have these owl, shoulder pals, not the right word. That's like a Disney term. But they're calling it a snowy owl plush. This also goes on your shoulder, and it does move and make noises. Marauders map, themed items over here, an actual Marauders map. Now, this is the one I really want. I have this one. I've had this one for a long time. I picked this up on my first trip to Universal like 10 years ago. But this one right here is pretty cool. It's interactive. It has appearing footprints and sound effects. Tap the wand on I solemnly swear I'm no good to begin the fun. And it's pretty cool. You can see Harry, Ron, Hermione, Snape, and Dumbledore walking around the castle. One of these days I will pick that up. One of these days. The other thing I really want is this butterbeer cart. That is pretty cool. It's got candy inside of it, and it's also a really cool display piece. Another little, I guess kind of maybe a little photo op over here. Enjoy a butterbeer. Take a break from the cold, and there's a little Quidditch animation going on here. So that's it for Hogsmeade. Next up is The Grinch. How the Grinch Stole Christmas. They do the, they have like little numbered things here, as you can see. And it's going to tell the story of the Grinch. Every Who down in Whoville liked Christmas a lot, but the Grinch who lived just north of Whoville did not. I'm not going to read every one of them. But they tell the whole story here. That's number 4. There's 5 over here. Christmas feast drawing here. This is some fun Grinch merchandise too. Got some backpacks. 12 days of socks, all Grinch themed. And a couple of different versions of this How the Grinch Stole Christmas cover here. You got a green one and this red one here. All the way over to step 22 right here. I mean, I'm skipping a lot of the story, but just so you can see some more of that. There's a little projection here of Max and the Grinch sliding down the hill to return the toys. And he brought back the toys and the food for the feast, number 26. I had fun once. It was awful. I love this shirt. That's fun. That'll run you $27. Little Grinch onesie here with a hood. Some pillows. This kind of looks like the Slytherin Spirit jersey a little bit. So here, got some glasses. Slippers. Little Max stuffed animals here. My wife's going to say, why didn't you buy one of these for me? Those are $20. And it's because I didn't feel like it, wifey. That's why. Some pajamas. And they got like Grinch music playing here in the background. All right, so I think that's it for the Grinch room. This is a story about mistletoe pines. I think this is for old Earl the squirrel, who I honestly don't know that much about. Should probably learn a little more. Earl the squirrel was no ordinary woodland creature. Unlike his tree-dwelling counterparts, Earl found solace amidst the low-lying branches of the local tree farm. There he is, old Earl the squirrel. His fascination with Christmas trees was a deep-rooted passion. Among the many trees, one stood out. Earl's curiosity was piqued, but the tree towering height was daunting. One fateful day, Earl woke up to the clamor of some heavy machinery, and it looks like they were going to try and take out his tree. People are chopping down trees, man. He don't like that. But he had to do something. They took his workers there. The workers were going to take his tree, man. And he climbed aboard that truck, old Earl the squirrel. And took a little nap. There he is, snoring. When he awoke, he found himself in a totally different world. The tree was now upright and adorned with festive trimmings. Somebody had put that Christmas tree up at Universal Orlando. There he is. Popped his head out. You're at Universal now, Earl. Got a bunch of Earl the Squirrel merchandise in here. Follow along in the festive adventures of Earl the Squirrel. There's a little shirt here. There he is, old Earl popping his head out inside the tree. So it looks like he pops out of the tree and felt some joy he'd never experienced before. Looks like the tree lights turned on. Old Earl the Squirrel. I don't know if he like fixed the Christmas tree when he bit down on the cord. I don't know for sure. And you got the candy section over here. Some holiday treats. What's up, man? Looks like they got some macarons, cookie dough balls, cookie sandwich. That looks pretty good. Cupcake, fudge. No s'mores, huh?
No, I'm just around.
I'm kind of surprised. They ain't got no s'mores, everybody. Another little smell area. After the last one, I don't think I'm going to participate in that. Some cool little Santa items here. Some nutcrackers. Sure that there is a story behind the mouse nutcracker somewhere. I do not know what it is. It's that time of year. Got some Minions themed items in here. Phone covers, beanies. Little Spirit jersey. Let's get merry. And Minions popcorn bucket, Christmas themed. Dress a Minion. Get you a Minion. And then dress a Minion. You can do both of those things. Little tree ornaments. Nutcracker and the Mouse King. Looks like we found out what's going on with the mouse. The Nutcracker bravely battles the Mouse Queen. Interesting. Some more kind of like traditional looking nutcrackers and stuff over here. Hollywood collections. I don't know what this is. This ain't a nutcracker. Hello Kitty over here. Happy holidays. Little Spirit jersey. Hello Kitty and friends. Mugs. Take a good look at the bag here from Loungefly. And some Christmas tree ornaments on display on the Christmas tree. Another Loungefly bag over here. This thing is pretty cool. With the fireplace and the Christmas tree, the Hello Kitty and friends. I don't know any of the friends. I do know who Hello Kitty is, though. This is some fun Santa decor over here. Snow globe. Look at that. That'll never not be fun, a snow globe. Oh, a little mini TV thing here. That's cool. Some small Christmas trees. Surprised that I don't know if the Santa Claus is a Universal film or not, but if it is, they should be putting some Tim Allen stuff in here. That's for sure. Yeah, they even got some Hanukkah stuff over here. That's cool. Earl the Squirrel's back, unless this is the way I came in. Nope, it's not. Mistletoe Pines, man. They were going to take his tree. He wasn't having it. He ended up at Universal Orlando. All right. Looks like that's the end of the tribute store. Interesting. That was pretty cool. I'm getting more and more excited for Christmas every day. It's getting pretty close this next week. So thanks for hanging out with me today and let me show you around the holiday tribute store. I had a good enough time, and I will see you guys next time.